Have you ever wondered how whales are so successful at investing in the stock market while everyone else struggles? Stay tuned, and I will show you the surprisingly simple ways they can effortlessly churn out profits. But first, the Instagram model of the day. It's actually really easy to make money in the stock market. You just have to master timing and patience. But when is a good time to buy stocks? Warren Buffett said it himself. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. But what does that mean? Can you recall a time in the past when there was absolute panic in the economy, and thus the stock market, Black Monday, the Great Recession, COVID, all come to mind, right? What this all means is, if you stick to buying healthy, large-cap companies with excellent balance sheets during times of fear and disorder, then your chances of financial success is only limited by how much money you're willing to risk.